So I actually just drove an hour and a half to go pick up an iPad. I could have had it shipped to me, but it wouldn't be here until Monday. And so I was crazy enough that I just decided to drive, pick it up, and drive an hour and a half back. So I'm gonna unbox it today and show you guys how I set it up and everything. Okay, so I actually used to have an 11-inch iPad Pro, and I sold it a couple of days ago because I wanted the 12.9-inch. So I drove an hour and a half one way to go pick up the 12.9. I got it in silver, and I'm just gonna open it. I'm so excited. The last one that I had was 2018 and this is the 2021. So I know it's not like really any different, but it has the M1 chip in it, which I'm very excited about. I have a iMac that just came out, one of the colored ones, and that has the M1 chip and it's so fast. I can't stand Apple boxes because I always have a really hard time opening them. All right. So here it is. Oh my gosh, it's actually so much bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I'm just so used to that 11-inch screen. So we're gonna take it out. And first we're gonna look at the accessories. So like everything Apple, it comes with the little instruction manual. I'm just excited about my stickers, if I can find them. Did it not come with stickers? I'm gonna be really upset. Not like mad upset, but oh, nope, it did. I just didn't empty it all the way out. So here's the stickers. Put those over here. It comes with the USB-C to USB-C charging cable and the charging brick, which is nice because I'm actually running out of bricks because Apple doesn't include them in most of their boxes anymore. So this is nice to have. I'm actually just gonna go ahead and open that and open this. So this just plugs into here, and this part just plugs into the iPad. I guess we can go ahead and open the iPad since that's what this video is about. Like I said, I got the silver 128 gigabyte and the 12.9. Seeing that camera is crazy. I'm used to the small circle one. Again, that screen is huge. How do I open this? Oh, pull it from this. I already got fingerprints on it. I'm so excited. I actually don't have a case for it right now, and it's kind of scaring me. I have to order one. So actually, I'm just gonna set it down on this just because I'm crazy weird about getting scratches on my stuff. Like none of my Apple products have scratches on them. So we're just gonna turn it on. So I actually raised my tripod up just a little bit more for this part of the video, since we're gonna be doing a little bit of setup and things like that. So we're at the hello screen. We're just gonna swipe up and select English, United States, set up manually. Okay, and here's what it has on it so far, which a lot of this stuff is gonna be deleted, but the first thing first is that I actually want to change the wallpaper. I actually don't like the Apple wallpapers that come on these, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go to my website, jccinelli.com, and I actually have free downloadable wallpapers that you can use for any of your devices. I have desktop ones, iPad ones, iPhone ones. I have icons that you can download all right here on my website. Also, if you want to join my mailing list, please do. You'll get updates whenever new content is posted, whether that's blog posts, new freebies, anything like that. So for right now, I'm going to put the X, go to design freebies, and I actually have iPad screensavers. And I think I'm gonna do this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on it, and then hold down, add to photos. So then when I go to photos on my iPad, I'm going to, actually first, I'm gonna rotate this. And then use it as my wallpaper. I'm gonna do set both. And so I actually have a ton of different wallpapers, as you guys could see on my website. Again, it's www.jctinelli.com, and they're all free. And I'm actually gonna post more today. I have a lot more that I created, and now that I have my big iPad, that means I can create even more. So please feel free to go on my website and download some of those. Okay, guys, so I think that's all for today. I'm actually gonna make a whole other video about what's on my iPad once I get everything set up. But yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.